Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss some misconceptions regarding learning AI because it's driving everyone crazy around the world. So basically, you are not interested into AI, but instead you are interested into artificial general intelligence. In short, we call it Gen AI. So you are learning this Gen AI in order to make some money. Maybe you are going to YouTube channels or Coursera or something like that, and you have this misconception in mind that once you have watched these videos, you will start generating income and so on. Yes, you can if you have a specific background, such as you are a computer science student or you have some background in it. You know the development processes, you know what is back-end development, what is front-end, how the connectivity works, how to build a system, how to build an application entirely, or you know how to write algorithms, how to process data efficiently, how to create pipelines and so on. But I'm assuming you have none of this background. So remember, you need to understand the basics of artificial intelligence. So you need to understand what is the difference between artificial narrow intelligence or generative artificial intelligence. Also, remember, most of you guys might go to some online tools like ChatGPT and give it some prompt and generate some output, maybe play around with their files and so. And after doing this, they think, okay, they have learned the artificial intelligence skill, and now they can use this to start making money. So this is not learning artificial intelligence. It is just learning how to use a specific tool that is available online like any other tool. To get started with learning artificial intelligence, make sure you understand the basics of AI, just the basics, not advanced stuff and so. And most importantly, you need to understand the generative AI models. You need to understand how to play with it, how to prompt it, and how to actually integrate it with your backend system in order to make customized logics, because you have to get a real world problem and try to build a system that leverages artificial intelligence, and eventually that will result into solving that problem. If you can do that, you are going to make infinite amount of money using artificial intelligence. But if you cannot do that, you don't know how to develop a system, how to develop an application, its flow and so on, then maybe if you get lucky, someone might hire you to use a specific tool for them and pay you in pennies. Or maybe if you are lucky, there are always exceptional cases, but I'm talking of a general perspective. But generally speaking, if you are solving real world problems by leveraging AI and development skills, you can make lots of money with that. Because if you are learning generative AI, that's because you want to make some money or you want to be productive enough to save your time. Because why are you learning artificial intelligence? Do you think it's so cool that you want to learn it and tell others, hey, I know this and that? No, it's because you want to make money. Everyone wants to make money and there is nothing wrong in it. So, yeah, best of luck with learning AI, but make sure you do it the right way and change your expectation, because it's very important to make sure your expectations are realistic. I'll give you an example. If you are watching a course that is maybe 10 hours long, and your expectations are, after learning this course, I will master the artificial intelligence field and start making lots of money, build big systems for people and generate lots of income. And when you finish that course, you will see nothing happened. Everything's the same. The only thing that's changed is your understanding regarding the AI. But because of the expectation you set initially, you are going to lose everything. You'll not be interested into learning AI at all. So make sure you are realistic with your expectation and understand that everything takes time. Nothing's gonna happen overnight. So keep learning, keep practicing, and see you in the next video then.